When navigation is enabled, your learners will be able to move back and forward in your module using swipe gesture on their mobile devices or the back and forward buttons on the screen. If you would like to grade your learners immediately after every question, you may choose to enable instant grading. Do note if this feature is toggled on, learners' answers are graded immediately and feedback is provided to the learner via a cross or a tick icon. Learners are not able to change their answers after this. Here's a demonstration on how to use module navigation and instant grading. To enable navigation for your module, go to the module setting. It's the drop-down menu beside the project title. Click on Question Settings. Toggle on Enable Navigation. Toggle on to enable instant grading if you like this feature to be turned on. Now remember to click Save Changes after configuration of your settings to take effect.